Welcome to TAM-Retail's mini demonstration series. In today's session, we will cover automatic replenishment of SKUs in TAM. So making sure that those mandatory items in your store that you never want to be without never run out. You get a nice warning. Let's go ahead and switch over to the application now. The first thing I want to talk about in the application is how you establish that a SKU is a mandatory SKU, and it is something that you want TAM to watch over and make sure you don't run out of. The way you do that is simply in the SKU program or in various mass SKU programs like mass SKU change or mass SKU review. You're able to actually select the SKUs that you want to set up these minimums on and pull them right up on the screen. And once you've done that, you click locations and you're able to enter in the minimums and reorders. Now these can vary by location, as you can see in my example here. My first location is a little bit lower volume store, so when it gets to 1, I want to reorder or below. And in store 2, when it gets to 2 or below, I want to reorder. Now the reorder column in the TAM program can be used a couple different ways. It can be used as a flat-out reorder quantity. And again, TAM's automatic replenishment system will take into account case packs. So it's very easy for it to order the right quantities. It's not going to try to order 4 if the minimum case pack with your vendor is 6. So it'll round up to the nearest case pack when ordering. The other way it can be used is as a plan level. So in other words, in the first reorder method that we discussed, if an item gets below the quantity, then it's going to simply recommend a reorder that matches what you've entered in the reorder column. So in this case, if I get below quantity in store 1, it'll recommend I order 3. Again, these are just quantities I've randomly put in for the demo. But also this could be used as a plan level. So if you wanted to, once it gets below 2, I want this vendor to be replenished up to the level of 12 on hand. So it can be used to calculate the difference, round it to the nearest case pack, and away you go. Now once these minimums are placed into the SKUs, then you're able to view what items or vendors need your attention by going simply into the inventory replenishment area, replenish from vendor, and we're able to actually pull up and preview the needed SKUs. So again, I'm going to go ahead and pull that up, and I'm able to view that right on screen and see all the vendors that need my attention. Again, I've got a demo system here, so I've got quite a few that need attention, but again, you get the picture here. Once we see a vendor that needs our attention, like the Acme Apparel here, then we can actually pull that up in on-screen ordering and quickly place an order. And remember, on-screen ordering will default to fill these quantities based on those formulas that we discussed. Okay, so again, that's automatic replenishment in TAM in a nutshell. I do want to remind you that if you need any additional information or a live demonstration, please feel free to contact your sales rep or feel free to contact us today at the email address and phone number shown on this slide. Thank you for attending.